A big breaking news update coming in. As far as the Sandeshkhali episode is concerned, a big setback for the West Bengal government. The Supreme Court has dismissed the West Bengal government's appeal against a CBI probe into the attack by Sheikh Shah Jahan and several of his associates on the ED officials. The Supreme Court refusing to interfere with the High Court judgment. Let me go across to Harish joining us with more details. Harish, take us through what the court has observed while it has dismissed the West Bengal government's appeal against CBI probe into the issue.
Yes, that's right. A big development in the Supreme Court as far as the Sandeshkhali case is concerned, especially the matter pertaining to the attack on ED officials by Shah Jahan Sheikh and his goons. The Supreme Court has upheld the Calcutta High Court judgment handing over the probe to CBI. And today the Supreme Court said that we don't find any inconsistency, or we're not inclined to interfere with the judgment. But the only the other complaint of the West Bengal government regarding some adverse remarks made regarding the conduct of West Bengal police and West Bengal government. The Supreme Court has ordered the removal of these remarks, expunction of these remarks. Other than that, Christine, the West Bengal government has not got any relief. Remember, the West Bengal government argued that, in fact, the High Court had set a very short deadline for handing over Shah Jahan Sheikh to the CBI, and West Bengal police nor Shah Jahan Sheikh did not get any time to appeal. Such a right of an accused cannot be extinguished. And also the adverse remarks made by the Calcutta High Court, and they also argued that without giving a proper hearing, the single judge and the division bench of the Calcutta High Court had agreed to hand over the probe to CBI, and that was against the principle of natural justice. But the Supreme Court did not find any merit in these arguments and refused to interfere with the Calcutta High Court order handing over the Sandeshkhali ED attack matter to CBI. Remember, what is important is that the High Court had slammed the West Bengal police for totally biased conduct and said every attempt was being made to delay the probe to protect the accused. Thus, this act of the state police would be sufficient to hold that the state police are totally biased.
While the Supreme Court has refused to interfere with the High Court judgment, it has however, ordered expunction of adverse remarks in the High Court judgment as well on the conduct of West Bengal police and the government.